Good morning. My name is Sittie AMBULO. This discussion will be a continuation of the Lesson 1, Development and Use of Non-Digital or Conventional Materials. Number 4, the flip chart. A flip chart is a large sheet of paper usually positioned in a tripod or four-legged easel, to be used with a thick and differently colored marking pens. Flip charts are usually used in discussing plans and business table charts. The contents are pre-drawn and ready to explain. Here are some suggestions on using flip chart. Number 1, use wide tip pens or markers with narrow tips to produce painting that is difficult to read. Number 2, print in block letters that are large enough to be read easily from the back of the room. Number 3, use different colored pens to provide contrast. This makes the page visually attractive and easier to read. Number 4, use headings, boxes, and cartoons and borders to improve the appearance of the page. Number 5, use bullets. Use bullets to delineate items on the page. Number 6, leave plenty of white space and avoid putting too much information on one page. Number 7, when pages are prepared in advance, use every other page. If every page is used, colors will show through and make text difficult to read. Number 8, have masking tape available to put pages up around the room during brainstorming and problem-solving activities. Masking tapes are usually thin and easy to tear paper. Number 9, to hide a portion of the page, fold up the lower portion and tape it. When ready to reveal the information, remove the tape and let the page drop. Number 10, face the students, not the flip chart, while talking. Number 5 is the zigzag board. It is a multi-board series of 3 or 4 rectangular boards. They are joined together along the sides of hinges so that they can easily fold it up and carry. Each board can be of a different type. For example, a whiteboard, a chalkboard, a funnel board, and so on. The size of boards for the zigzag multi-boards depends on what you use them for. Number 6 is the wall display. Displaying items on a classroom wall is well known. tried and tested educational method. A wall display is a collection of many different types of items and materials put up on a wall to make an interesting and informative display. In a classroom, the display can consist of the student's own work. In development work, it can be used to convey information to the community. We see so many wall displays in school. Like in a classroom, there's always a list of cleaners or birthdays. Number 7, the roll and pole display board. This board consists of two parallel horizontal poles tied closely together with rope. Visual aids such as posters can be pinned to the rope. This kind of display board is invaluable where there are few solid backing and can be made quickly for teaching, training, and when working with communities. Here are some guidelines when designing conventional instructional materials. Number 1, unity. Use only one idea for each visual aid and include a headline. Number 2, simplicity. Make ideas and relationships simple and recall. Avoid cluttering a visual with too many words, numbers, or graphics. The audience should be able to grasp the concept in 10 to 15 seconds. Number 3, legibility. Make letters big and readable for all the audience. Number 4, consistency. Use the same type, style, and art style. Number 5, clarity. Avoid type that is too small to read and avoid all caps. Number 6, quality. Make it neat and professional and remember to proofread. That's all. Thank you.